I'm going to give you now 3 very simple techniques which are particularly useful when we're dealing with panic attacks and general anxiety. The first tip is that the physical symptoms of anxiety are uncomfortable, but they're not dangerous. The second key tip is that 2 parts of our brain, one is called the right prefrontal cortex, where we catastrophize, and the other is called the amygdala, which is in our emotional brain, called the gunslinger, are the 2 key organs involved in causing all of our symptoms in anxiety and panic. So learning techniques how to calm these down can transform our lives. The third big tip is that some very simple techniques, CBT and mindfulness techniques, can basically banish panic attacks, phobias and social anxiety out of our lives for good.